No, I'm going to public market, Tabunok. So I go there.
Is entrance. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So by the way, excuse me, what do you do here?
Huh?
What do you do here? You are parking attendant.
Dispatcher.
Okay. Sir, excuse me.
Oh.
Vecini la mora primera vez, ¿o necesito pasar por aquí otra vez? Vecini la mora primera vez, ¿o necesito pasar por aquí otra vez?
Apa na nga to?
By the way, I'm going to Tabunok Public Market. Where?
Public market. Okay.
Tabunok Public Market. So where can I go? I'm sorry, señorita, I'm Española.
Espanyol o Star Mall.
No, Tabunok Public Market. What's inside there at Tabunok Public Market? I'm looking for lechon or chicken or fish.
Oh, this way.
Lechon?
Oh,
Yeah,
this way.
lechon.
Oh, this way.
Lechon, lechon.
Where?
Yeah, this way.
Lechon, delicioso lechon, delicioso.
Ah, gusto ko. No. Delicioso chostogo. Where?
What is that chokes to go? Is that lechon? Manok. Okay.
Manok. Chicken.
So where can I go?
Yeah, nandun.
So I can go there.
Yes. Oh. This way.
Maybe how many minutes there, señorito? How many minutes there?
1:30 or 1:40 ba lang ito ko?
Dili, minutes.
Minutes.
Dong dito.
Oh, pwede. Oh,
Ako andra.
1 minute. Wag about 1 minute.
So I can walk there. Okay, thank you so much. Señorito.
Motorcycle parking also there. So
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, señorito. I'm Español, señorito. Gracias, señorito.
Espanyol.
Señorito, thank you so much.
Okay.
By the way, I'm going to Tabunok Public Market first.
Oh, this is parking.
So I am parking here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So where can I go, señorito?
Oh, this way.
No, I'm going to public market, Tabunok. So I go there.
Is entrance. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So by the way, excuse me, what do you do here?
Huh?
What do you do here? You are parking attendant.
Dispatcher.
Dispatcher.
Oh, dispatcher. Oh.
Okay, because you're so very kind, I have something for you. Okay. I give you something. Okay. Thank you, señorito. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Because you're very hard working.
Oh, dispatcher.
Yeah.
Okay.
This for you because you're so very hard working.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Palihog kong bantay sa kong motor ha.
Oh, okay ra.
Palihog kong bantay.
Buangan. Ikaw rum dito daw siya preparado ko sa una dai. Saya pre kay.
Yeah, kumusta naman ka diri?
Mawar ya po, mawar. Adlaw mo ko na diri. Adlaw ko nang kuan parking.
Ayos sa imong mga kuha niya. Sa mga parking diri ay mo kabalaka kay naay mo bantay diri kasaligan kay
Wagi mo wa helmet
mo.
kasi aduna si Bunalo nun.
Wa jud ko na mo tang helmet diri ikay tigbantay diri no.
Mao jud. Kadlaw hantod karon gabi na ako diri.
So mga idol, salig lang mo niya sa mga mo parking sa Bunok ay mo kabalaka mo parking diri kay.
Yawe mapitag ka cellphone mabilin yuli na nako.
Uli na niya kung naay mga mo.
Remember trabaho obligasyon ako dispatcher.
Okay, kana. Thank you sir.
Yuli na nako.
Sige.
Mao man ako trabaho. Pagbantay man sa nahabilin.
Ya adto na ko.
Sige guys, dapat. Dire dia. Tara kage entrance.
Na prank jud ka na prank. Vlog na video ko.
Salamat sa mga